everyone, my name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor with Century 21 Americana. Today's video, we are here inside DR Horton, their community, Kalea Bay, which is located in north of Las Vegas. And today we are going to feature the Plan 1865. This is 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage, and is in the low 400. Let's go inside and check this house, you guys. So welcome to 1865. Standard with DR Horton. They came with the video doorbell and the keyless entry right here. As soon as you get in, you will be greeted by this nice foyer. On the right side, there is a coat closet. And this is a very cozy home, you guys. Nice area, living room right here. Perfect for entertaining. This side right here, you're looking at your modern kitchen. There's an island in the middle with dual sink. Space for your dining table. And just so you know, you guys, when you purchase one of the home in DR Horton, you get all the stainless steel appliances. Refrigerator, washer and dryer is also included. It's a nice space right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys there's a pantry over here. It's a walk-in pantry. And on this side, there is a guest bathroom. Show you. Yeah. Before we go upstairs, let's go check the backyard first. This is landscape, just to show you guys how it looks. But normally when you purchase a new home from DR Horton, it comes with a dirt lot. It's a nice space, perfect for entertaining, relaxing, and unwind at the end of the day. Okay, let's go to the second floor and check the rest of the house, you guys. There's 4-bedroom in this house and a loft. And again, this home is in low 400. This is the loft area. You can convert this as a study room or a music room. If you have kids, this will be perfect for entertainment. Okay, you guys, this is the laundry area right here. As I said before, washer and dryer is included when you purchase DR Horton home. This side right here, this is a shared bathroom. It features a single vanity and tub and shower combo. And this side, first secondary bedroom right here. It's a good amount of space and a standard closet. Another bedroom over here. It also has a standard closet. And this is another bedroom with a standard closet in it. Primary bedroom. This is a nice room. And some space. And right beside, this is the primary bath. Features a dual sink vanity. Side right here is your walk-in shower. In this bathroom, there is a water closet. And here's your walk-in closet over here. Lots of space. Again, this is the 1865. There's 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. And it's in low 400. If you guys are interested of owning one of the home in DR Horton, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and share my video. And thank you for watching, you guys. See you on the next one.